In multiple choice questions, we come across a few difficulties. These are discussed as follows. Looking for the right answer in multiple choice questions can be tricky, because in this type of question, it is very likely that you will hear all the words that are given in each choice. Two will obviously not be referring to the correct one, so you need to listen carefully in order to make sure that you get the correct answer. Another problem is that you may be given very similar choices. For example, all the choices may refer to years, so it is easy to choose the wrong answer. Also, the information you hear about each choice may be quite similar, so it is up to you to decide which answer would be the correct one. The test would be quite easy if you could hear exactly what you see in the question, but it will be changed in some way or the other, which means that sentences and words that you hear in the listening will often be changed in the actual listening script. So, you need to know your synonyms and paraphrase as well. Be sure to read the question on the paper very carefully, because the person you hear speaking may not necessarily give you the information or choices in the same order as the question. So, if we encounter such tricky questions, how do we answer them correctly? The first thing you need to do is look through the questions. You will have 30 seconds before you hear the audio. Underline key words in the question stems and look at the choices, so you know what to listen out for. So let's practice.
Okay, right. Now, obviously insurance is an important thing to consider, and our companies are able to offer very good rates in a number of different all-inclusive packages.
Sorry, could you explain a bit more?
Yes, sorry. There's really 3 rates according to quality of insurance cover. There's the highest comprehensive cover, which is premium rate, then there's standard rate, and then there's economy rate. That one will only cover the cost of the contents second hand.
Oh, I've been stung before with economy insurance, so I'll go for the highest.
Mm-hmm. And can I just check, would you want home delivery or to a local depot, or would you want to pick it up at the nearest port?
The port would be fine. I've got transport that end.
Fine. And will you be paying by credit card?
Can I pay by cheque?